Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
So here's the transformation video for X-Transbots Dig Pig, their scoop.
Subscribe.
Move these in, move these in. Move these things out on the sides. I'm gonna do both sides together. This out of here. This piece right here. Getting out and turning it out. Then you can, oh, let me put that back up. Then you can put the feet in. Now you can pull this down. I forgot. Little piece here, you don't want to forget. Pull that up. Both sides. Go up. You can move this up here. I already moved all this out the way because that's what you want to do. Now you want to move this around. Then you want to move this out like this and down. And you can do the same over here. Move this around here like that. And then move this out and down. And there's a little piece in here that you want to flip up. Like that on both sides. Now this you can move up. Let me see. Both sides, move this up. And then this will fill in back here. That's what this is for. And you can see there's like a peg here that goes into that side. That's why you pull that piece out. Peg it up. You see this little half circle that fills in the back as well. And there's a peg here that pegs into here. If I can get that piece, there we go. That's a tight piece. Once you get that in there, then everything will get right. So this is the same way over here. There's like little spaces where you gotta get the legs. So you gotta have that right. This little piece, make sure it didn't fold in. Make sure these pieces stay up, all of that. So you can put these together. Now, I think it's okay. Let me do this first just in case. So you pull these up. Then you can put this thing back into here. And then this goes around it. Make sure the other thing you need to do is pull these pieces out. They're like the ladders. Right here and right here. As long as this is together, then you put this, just squeeze it like that. You'll hear it snap. But then these right here go into the side of here. You gotta make sure these knee, yeah, there we go. This knee right here wasn't right. So it's not gonna be exactly where you need it. So if you're having trouble with this part, putting those in there, that means your joints on your waist, thighs are not correct. You gotta make sure they're pushed up and correct. And then everything should work out. Oh, and you need to move these wheels down. This isn't up far enough. That could be an issue. So you can move the hands at any time. I just decided to do it now. So move that, push this panel to the side, move these in. Then you can push this panel back. Again, move this panel to the side. This can go all the way down. Just crunch up the fingers and the thumb so you can fit it in here. Make it straight. Good to go. Now let me finish this back here. So you want to pull this stuff up on these joints. You see the sliding, you see the hole for the sliders. So they slide like that so they can go back. You can move the seat back and move the steering stuff up. Then you want to pull that out a little bit right there. Now you can move this down here. And is it tabs? No, I don't think there's tabs. I think it just goes in between these things. That's how you know it's lined up correctly. Push that in between there. And this one in between there. And now you pull this up. I had trouble with this on Scrapper, but it seems to not give me trouble on here. I'll pull that up. The tolerances are really great now. I think on Scrapper it was quite tight. Oh, never mind. That's what happened with Scrapper too. But it's easier to deal with. It's easier to, at least on mine. On this and on Scrappers. They both were, oh no, I think this might have did what Scrappers did. Yeah, I think it did. Well, the first time I did it, it wasn't bad. But you can keep it like that. So now you have the steering column and all of that stuff. Now there's a piece right here on the side that you want to pull out in order to, then you can fool with all of this stuff. This is kind of hard. You might need a spudger. There we go. Do that on both sides. Now these arms here, you want to pull them out of the socket up top like that. The butterfly, and I guess you could get a better butterfly with that joint. There you go. Yeah, I guess, you know, you can get a better butterfly with that joint. Then you can pull this stuff all up like that. Move this out, flip his head in, spin it around, and then push this down. I had trouble with that on Scrapper too. I'm still having trouble with it on here. You see there's two holes. I don't know if you can see that those two pegs are supposed to go into. I never could get Scrapper to go in. Yeah, I can't get his to go in either. I'm sure I could if I tried a lot harder, but I also don't want to mess it up because I do want this in robot mode. So I'm just doing this transformation for y'all. So do that, move this like this. Then you adjust these as they should be. You can kind of tell you got the same pistons, which are pretty dope. I do love what they did with this alt mode as well. So you move this up here, and then these go into slots right there. All this is similar to Scrapper. Let's get this where you need to get it. So you see the little groove, and then you can push these back up so they stay where they should stay. Then this goes down to here. So then you angle it like this. You push the bottom part in, and it kind of angles it in there, which I always felt, I don't know, I always felt weird about that. But it works. It works. So move these arms back in, and then you have to collapse these arms too. I forgot. I didn't mean to. I forgot that you need to collapse them like this. Yeah. Is it all the way? We'll see. Because then when you move this up here, it should fit this ladder piece right here. Should go into this hole right here. There's a peg here that goes into the side here, and then you can really like situate it. Let me see if I can get this one. Yeah, that one's all the way up. Let me get this one off camera. I had to get it off camera, but if it's all the way up, then you can get it right where you need it. You kind of got to do it at the same time. It's hard to get this peg in. Slide it in. There we go. And then this, you can kind of get it together. Maybe you need a tool. I have a tool. There we go. Up there like that. Get this one. I found that these things fall down a lot until you get them right where you need them into the arm. There we go. Make sure these are straight. Then this right here, you can move down and in here like this. Let me get it up under. And then there's two tabs in the front of this thing that tab into the tabs there. And here you go. Got the scoop. Rolls nice. You can bring these guys in if you want, and they can be, all right, that's not a good, you can't put it all the way in or it'll be loose. You got to put it right. See, you got to put it right. It's like that game with the shapes. Gotta have it lined up so it's tight. But then you have that like this if you want that, or you can just have the robots. And there you are. Nice figure. Nice figure. Definitely recommend it. Hope this helped with transformation.
You know, life ain't over. Life ain't over. Life ain't over. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.